Clarence Wijewardena.
1996, when Mr. Clarence Wijewardena passed away, one of his greatest fans wrote a very, very special song for Clarence Wijewardena. What he did was he put all the titles, song titles of Clarence together and created a song.
Sarali saagaraye ramya sihikala Dilika kodi putuni dikiri muhuda kalambala Sihinaloak tutuwa yana geetaya gayala Clarence Wijewardena mulu lobata lagiya Gamakin liyumak malakata bamarak Maliniye rohini Duwani suratal meniyane Himado nawe adoya Kanda suri dunde Utatita dakala Niti paranit temuwa Loke lassana Vinnata dedenek Onai manchita kiwa Moratua Sanakiliye Sandapane kamangiya Sandak besagiya awaragire suragana viswalagiya inaka mehina dire dinita hamu vela aadareta kiyu katha den bolanda una sandakilunak irugilunak kamak nagiya Clarence Wijewardena mulobada lagiya rachanaya tanu nirmanaya dilhani geetaye tani visitinata adhas karala ratakinne hai kilune sikuruliya apeksha cinema sangeetaya tikiri malipa selyane pare magatujadi hamuna Apikalu mama mango nenda Eletula kumbura sarvuna Super golden chimes Gayaka madule Nayaka Clarence Natiuna Super golden chimes Gayaka madule Nayaka Clarence Natiuna